Welcome aboard. Life doesn't matter. Welcome aboard. I won't get paid enough for this. I hope we all die. Whatever. Hello? Can you tell your kid to shut the up? Hello. Hey, the food is disgusting.
Kimochi.
Welcome aboard. Okay, your seat is down that aisle. Duh! There's only one aisle on this plane. This is my last flight. I hate this airline. I'll spit in the food. Mom? Dad?
Oh God, I hope not.
One day I'll meet them. Well, hello. Have you ever been a part of the Mile High Club? I have been for every single flight. Hey, for today, maybe not. Enjoy your dad. Dude, can I borrow some money? Welcome aboard. Your seat is missing. I got the new iPhone. What the do you have? Welcome aboard. Are you a pilot? No. Are you a pilot? No. Are you a pilot? No. Hello. Me and the captain are banging, so the flight's gonna be smooth. Hello, you're traveling alone?
Yes.
Oh, that's sad. I didn't brush my teeth today. Mouthwash.